North, east, south, and west. These words are key for finding direction. But when we write them, should we capitalize them? The key factor here is how you're using the word. What exactly does that mean though? Let's get a clearer sense of direction. When north, east, south, and west are used as generic directions, you won't need to capitalize them. We walked south for 3 miles. Or the sun always sets in the west. The same applies for other points on the compass, such as northeast or southwest, or when using another direction word, such as eastern or northerly. We live in the eastern part of the country, or the castle lies to the southwest. In all of these cases, the words are used descriptively. So if all you're doing is specifying the direction or location of something, you don't need to worry about capitalizing the word. The only times you'll need to capitalize directions are when they're used as a proper noun. These are words that name a unique thing. Directions are often used in the name of countries, states, cities, or other geographical areas, such as North Dakota or South Africa. In these examples, you'll need to capitalize North and South because they're part of the name. The need to capitalize is clear in some cases, like the names of cities or countries, but in other instances, it can be a matter of style. Let's look now. The AP style book, for example, says to always capitalize Southerner when referring to someone from the south of the United States, whereas the Chicago Manual of Style says to only capitalize Southerner in the context of the American Civil War. So, if you're using a particular style guide, consult the guidelines to ensure you're using the correct capitalization of the directions. Also, if you capitalize the South once, ensure that you consistently capitalize it throughout your writing. If you don't, readers could be confused that the capitalized South refers to one thing and the lowercase South refers to another, and we don't want readers to be confused. So the key is consistency. Hopefully, you now feel more confident when and how to capitalize North, East, South, and West in your writing. If you do have any specific questions on this, let me know in the comments. As always, you'll find more handy resources linked in the video description. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for weekly writing tips to help elevate your communication one word at a time. Your writing, proof.